The Dubai Airshow is a global showcase for cutting-edge aviation, drawing the world's top aerospace companies, military delegations, and aviation enthusiasts to witness the latest in flight technology and innovation. Here, nations compete not just for prestige, but for lucrative contracts and the chance to demonstrate their technological prowess on a truly international stage. On November 21, 2025, India's HAL Tejas light combat aircraft was scheduled for a high-profile demonstration flight, representing years of indigenous development and national ambition. As the Tejas, piloted by the experienced Wing Commander Namansh Syal, began its aerobatic routine, disaster struck without warning. The jet suddenly faltered mid-maneuver and crashed in a fiery explosion, sending shockwaves through the crowd and participants. Emergency crews responded within moments, racing to the scene with fire trucks and ambulances, but despite their efforts, the pilot did not survive the catastrophic impact. The airshow was immediately paused, the festive atmosphere replaced by a heavy silence as news of the tragedy spread rapidly among attendees and participants. The loss of Wing Commander Syal was a devastating blow to the Indian Air Force, deeply affecting his colleagues and family and casting a shadow over the Tejas program's future. The crash immediately raised urgent questions about the aircraft's safety and reliability, especially as India was actively promoting the Tejas for export to international buyers at the very same event. What was meant to be a proud moment for India's aerospace industry instead ended in heartbreak and uncertainty, leaving the nation and its delegation in mourning. The world watched closely as India's aerospace ambitions faced a harsh and very public test, with the future of the Tejas program now under intense global scrutiny. India and Pakistan's rivalry is legendary, but tragedy sometimes prompts unexpected gestures. After the Tejas crash, Pakistan's Defense Minister Khawaja Asif issued a formal condolence, expressing sorrow for the loss of Wing Commander Syal. The statement focused on shared humanity, setting aside political animosity, at least momentarily. This rare act of diplomacy was seen as an attempt to project maturity on the world stage. While some in India welcomed the gesture, others questioned its sincerity, given the tense backdrop. Still, the message stood as a brief pause in the cycle of hostility, a reminder that empathy can surface even between rivals. While Pakistan's government offered condolences, some in its media and public reacted with mockery. A viral video showed a Pakistani journalist laughing at the crash, sparking outrage across social media. This insensitivity was condemned by many, including Pakistanis who called it shameful and unprofessional. The incident exposed a divide: toxic nationalism versus basic decency. Many voices pushed back, insisting that celebrating a death, even of a rival, is unacceptable. The backlash became a moment of introspection about media ethics and the power of public conscience. It proved that, even amid rivalry, empathy and respect can prevail over hate. In the aftermath of the crash, all eyes immediately turned to Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, or HAL, the renowned maker of the Tejas fighter jet. The incident sent shockwaves through the aviation and defense communities, raising urgent questions about the safety and reliability of India's flagship aircraft. HAL responded swiftly, expressing deep regret over the tragedy and emphasizing that the crash was an isolated incident. The company's leadership sought to reassure customers, partners, and the public, highlighting their commitment to the highest standards of safety and quality. With a major domestic order in progress and hopes for lucrative export deals on the horizon, HAL announced a comprehensive investigation in collaboration with the Indian Air Force. The stakes were high, and both organizations knew that the outcome would have far-reaching consequences. Teams of experts were quickly mobilized to analyze every detail, scrutinizing flight data, examining the wreckage, and gathering eyewitness accounts. Their goal: to determine whether the cause lay in technical failure, external factors, or possible human error. The findings of this investigation would not only influence the future of the Tejas program, but also set a precedent for transparency and safety in India's defense sector. HAL pledged to share results openly and implement any necessary changes. For HAL, the challenge extended beyond technical fixes. It was also about restoring trust and confidence among stakeholders, both in India and abroad, and demonstrating their ability to overcome adversity. Ultimately, the tragedy became a defining test of resilience and determination for India's flagship fighter project, shaping its legacy for years to come. The HAL Tejas is more than just a jet. It's a powerful symbol of India's ongoing quest for self-reliance in defense technology and manufacturing. Developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, the Tejas project represents decades of research, innovation, and determination to create a world-class fighter aircraft on Indian soil. Designed to replace the aging MiG-21s, Tejas is a lightweight, highly agile, and versatile multi-role fighter. Its distinctive delta-wing design not only gives it a sleek appearance, but also enhances its maneuverability, making it ideal for both air defense and ground attack roles. At its heart is the reliable GE F404 engine, allowing Tejas to reach speeds up to Mach 1.8. The aircraft features advanced avionics, a state-of-the-art glass cockpit, and digital fly-by-wire controls, providing pilots with exceptional situational awareness and handling. Its sophisticated radar and electronic warfare suite equip the Tejas to detect, track, and counter threats in modern combat environments, ensuring survivability and mission success even in contested airspace. Tejas is capable of handling both air-to-air and ground attack missions, carrying a diverse array of missiles, bombs, and precision-guided munitions on its 8 hardpoints, making it a true multi-role platform. Despite facing numerous technical and developmental challenges over the years, the Tejas program marks a significant leap forward in India's aerospace engineering and indigenous defense production capabilities. While the recent crash was a setback and raised concerns, the jet continues to be a cornerstone of India's defense ambitions, with ongoing improvements and rigorous safety measures being implemented. Today, Tejas stands proudly as a testament to the nation's technological progress, resilience, and commitment to building a secure future through innovation and self-reliance. The Tejas crash struck a nerve in both India and Pakistan, fueling old rivalries and insecurities. For India, it was a blow to national pride, especially on an international stage. In Pakistan, some saw it as a victory, reinforcing negative stereotypes and zero-sum thinking. The contrasting reactions, official sympathy versus public mockery, highlight the complexity of the Indo-Pak relationship. Social media amplified raw emotions, deepening divisions and making reconciliation harder. The incident became another chapter in the psychological tug-of-war between the nations. It shaped perceptions, fueling nationalism and mutual suspicion. Ultimately, it showed how deeply identity and history influence every event between these neighbors. The Tejas tragedy revealed both the depth of Indo-Pak divisions and the potential for empathy. Some responded with mockery, others with compassion, showing that national identity is not monolithic. The official condolences and public condemnation of insensitivity created space for understanding. These moments challenge societies to choose between hate and humanity. The backlash against mockery proved that many value decency over rivalry. While the cycle of hostility continues, such incidents offer lessons in respectful discourse. Recognizing the human cost behind headlines is the first step toward breaking the cycle. Even in tragedy, there are opportunities for connection and mutual respect.